Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to add soundboard sounds to Discord server on mobile. Follow these easy steps to easily upload soundboard sounds to your server. As you can see, currently I'm on my iPhone. You can follow these same steps on your Android also. So to upload soundboard sounds from mobile, we have to open Discord on our browser. So I'm going to opening my Google Chrome browser. And now here you have to search for discord.com/login. Make sure it's discord.com/login. And then you will directly jump into Discord login page. Here, all you have to need, just enter here your Discord login credential and log into your account. Now, we don't need to view Discord in desktop site, okay? Just browse normally. Here, go to your server where you want to upload Soundboard. Once you are in the specific server, tap on server name. Tap on server settings. Here, tap on Soundboard. Tap on upload sound. Now tap on browse. And I'm selecting choose file. And now from my iPhone, I'm going to selecting the sound that I want to add. And here you can play the sound by tapping on this play button. And now write the soundboard sound name here. You can add an emoji for the soundboard. You can adjust the soundboard volume from here. Now all you have to need, just tap on upload and the soundboard sound will be uploaded in your Discord server. That's how we can do it. If this video helped you out, leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.